Newsflash, not all skincare advice is created equal, and some of it can actually cause harm to your skin. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Elizabeth Stephan. I am a licensed esthetician and acne specialist. I consider myself a skin expert. I've been doing this for well over 20 years, and it is my passion to help educate people on how to be comfortable and confident in their own skin by making changes in their skin. And today I want to talk about skinfluencers. Okay, I've seen that word out there, but I'm throwing it out there. I'm gonna be a little direct, and I don't normally like to throw people under the bus, and I'm trying not to do that in this video, but I feel it's really important to be very self-aware of misinformation out there on the internet. Here's the truth. If you're dealing with acne, I wouldn't necessarily take advice from somebody who is not an acne expert. Now, this also means estheticians. Not all estheticians, just because somebody has a license doesn't mean they're an acne expert. Think of it as doctors. There's so many different kinds of doctors out there. They have different specialties. You know, I'm also a waxing specialist. I'm also an anti-aging specialist. I have a lot of years under my belt where I have been cross-trained in so many different areas. But just because somebody has licensed esthetician or they're an influencer and telling you the 5 facials that I had that everybody else should have, oh my gosh, I saw that news article the other day and I'm like, you like New York writer, go back and go where you came from about your beauty blog. You don't know crap about skin, okay? That's a little harsh, but that is the reality. We can't say that those 5 treatments that she had is what everybody else should have. That is not the case. When people come into my treatment room, I have this joke with my staff, and I have it with my clients too. I can literally be talking to them from like a couple feet in front of me and be like, we're gonna do these 3 things on you today, okay? Soon as I get them on the table and I put my light on and I put my glasses on so I can see what's going on in their skin, I'm like, I'm just gonna eat my words. No, because they have other things going on. And I have to triage the skin when I am working with people. So if you're hearing things online about acne, are they from an acne expert? Ask yourself that question. And just because they're an acne expert, like I am an acne expert, doesn't mean you should do it for your skin, because your skin is your skin. You might have your own skin conditions. So that's why we do coaching and education. That's why I have all the other videos that you can check out, that you can learn more about your own type of acne and what it's going to take to get your skin clear, because you are different from me. You are different from the person sitting next to you right now. You are different from everybody else, every other freaking human being on this planet. And what you need may be different from other people. I see things all the time where people are pushing one product that it's gonna clear your skin. I've seen it in blogs and forums and YouTube and all these different things. The problem is that acne is extremely complex. Check out some of my other videos on the different types of acne and the different types of ingredients that helps with different types of acne and the combinations of acne that people have and how things have to work with them. And when people are just giving a one-off, it's really hard for me to believe in it, you know, because even benzoyl peroxide as an ingredient is so beneficial for acne. If it's not used correctly, it is not going to benefit your skin. So if they're telling you use this product, but not telling you how to use it, and trust me, I have seen all kinds of things happen with people using products incorrectly. Unfortunately, the skin will react to it a lot of times and disrupt the skin barrier. So instead of trusting somebody, like use coconut oil on your skin or a one-off or a skinfluencer, if they don't have their credentials behind them and aren't speaking the truth, like for instance, acne is a skin condition. I cannot cure it. I was talking to somebody many months ago about business, and he was asking me questions, and he goes, you can cure acne with your products. And I'm like, no, I don't cure acne. Like, I don't cure it. I can help manage it. I can help clear it, but that doesn't mean some of it's not going to come back. Ultimately, my goal is to educate my clients on how to manage their own acne and skin condition through nutrition, lifestyle choices, and definitely using products. Now, I have seen, there's somebody out there on the internet and it looks like she's doing super great on being a nutritional acne expert. She's a nutritionist. I need to look her up. So if you find this video, send me a message. And I was on her Instagram and I was like, yes, girl, she is really educating people from an internal point of view on how to clear their acne. And have not talked to her, but I guarantee she has learned so much through her process, and she is still learning on how to help people clear their acne, probably through gut health, probably no dairy, maybe limiting the sugar too. I don't know. I'm not a nutritional acne expert. I know a lot about nutrition and how it does affect acne, but I know this girl knows way more than I do. So I would trust her as long as she is saying that it's not a one size fits all. I didn't get that deep into her social media, and I don't remember who she is. I'm sorry. I wish I had that reference for you guys. If you know who that is, drop me a comment. I would love to know who that person is again and make some kind of connection there, because there's so much value in somebody who has expertise in what they do. And hers happens to be helping to clear acne. So instead of rushing to somebody on social media, really look at their credentials, look at their background, look at their experience, and see what the results will dictate probably better results for the other people down the road. And it's definitely a learning process for sure. If you're really serious about wanting to get your skin clear, I have an amazing free resource for you. Click the link in the description below. It is my step-by-step instructions on how I get my clients clear using a morning and night routine with my products, but I also discuss other products too. So not other brands of products, but if you already have some of these products, you can use some of them yourself and hopefully get decent results. I can't guarantee, because I don't know if they have fillers or oils or weird ingredients in there that may not actually work well for your skin. But if you really want to dig deeper into the actual routine, it's a free resource. You can coach yourself through it with other products, but I do have a special offer in there for my starter kit to get you started down the road to clear skin. Thanks again for joining me on today's video, and I will catch you on the next one.